So what we did see over many studies is a number of different patterns. This was one, and what we see here is 100 implants been placed and the primary stability profile has been generated. We'll talk more about ISQ in just a moment, but I just wanted to show this. So the average range is in the range of 60 to 80, and we see outliers. And we'll be able to discuss in a minute what are good measurements and what are risk measurements. And again, that was built up. It comes on to this next slide, which followed on from the previous one I showed about what are the changes that occur. And here we can see changes in resonance frequency. We'll call it ISQ for now. And what happens with time is there is an increase in ISQ with new bone formation. This is fantastic. This is a clinical measurement of osseointegration. And time again, we see it. So in quality 4+, the very poorest quality of bone, we're actually seeing a tremendous increase over a period of 20 months, not 3 or 6, please note that. And the better the bone quality, the less change. When we superimpose the mandible on that, we see relatively little change. But irrespective of the primary stability of that implant, the secondary stability is in a very similar range. So osseointegration continues. It's not an overnight phenomenon. It's not all happening in 6 weeks. We see that change, and the difference in the maxilla and the mandible is attributable to the structure, the vitality, and the integrity of the bone around it.